My name is Rogério Malta, and I am employed here at Inovadora Sistemas, managing IT infrastructure coordination. Our portfolio encompasses specialized platforms for health secretariats, hospitals, and emergency care units, health consortia, which are the CIS, right? Surveillance and social assistance. So it ensures efficiency, connectivity, and quality in this service, right? Regarding this health sector aspect, our solutions cater to over 200 municipalities across 10 states of the Federation. Ultimately, this directly provides benefits to more than 12 million citizens. We were leveraging AWS for its superb high availability, a concept we had enthusiastically embraced. So, in our search for suitable market alternatives, we eventually carried out several POCs, also known as proofs of concept, to thoroughly assess various potential providers. So, we opted for Optidata because it offered us a substantial reduction in costs, which was indeed significant, representing a saving of approximately 40%. Due to its scalability, it readily met our steadily increasing demands. Indeed, their high level of support, which boasts an average response time of just 8 minutes, alongside their impressive NPS score of approximately 99%. There is also security and compliance, so with both robust and sustainable data centers. Consequently, this experience introduced a considerably significant concept for us to consider. So then, we experienced that moment of implementation, and consequently, the challenges emerged. The transition to this upgraded infrastructure presented a substantial challenge for us, then considering that we are responsible for supporting critical environments within the healthcare sector. For health secretariats, hospitals, clinics, and UPAS, downtime must be zero or minimal, even when scheduled. So, with Optidata's close supervision and active involvement, we successfully executed this migration. We had real-time monitoring provided by their team and our own, allowing us to make immediate adjustments. This ensured the continuous provision of services, minimizing any disruption for our client. When we migrated from AWS, because we virtually containerized everything, it consequently resulted in a positive impact, wouldn't you say? And so, it was a collective undertaking, right? It was a combination of this migration process during which we ultimately containerized our entire system. And as a result, the client noticed it right away, didn't they? The client truly perceived this distinction, this extended period of adjustment, which consequently caused a substantial degree of unavailability for them. And this, in a way, was quite noticeable to everyone, wasn't it? Optidata's approach, which involves working very closely with clients, was exceptionally collaborative and instrumental in ensuring the successful completion of our migrations. We would coordinate the specific date and time with Optidata, and in turn, they would also ensure a dedicated team was provided, correct? So they could be readily available to assist us throughout this accompaniment. During this migration, we experienced no failure episodes whatsoever, thanks to Optidata. This was largely due to our consistent and constant communication, which enabled them to provide their services with remarkable speed and efficiency. Consequently, they carried out the modifications we requested with remarkable promptness and efficiency. It was very, very immediate, wasn't it? So, at that critical juncture of the migration, we essentially achieved 100% success. From the very moment we embraced this partnership situation alongside Optidata, there's a significant point I believe is worth highlighting here. Optidata is not merely a supplier, but truly stands as a strategic partner crucial for fostering growth and innovation within our company. What we perceived right from the start was an immediate reduction in our infrastructure's expenses, and concurrently, we maintained both the standard of quality and the efficiency of our delivery without any compromise. Wouldn't you agree? The scalability of this structure, right, of this infrastructure that we had previously. I highly recommend Optidata due to several key aspects that I consider to be exceptionally important. Firstly, for cost reduction. Secondly, it's a cost reduction without compromising quality, isn't it? Proactivity, in many instances concerning the support they extend to us, is truly exceptional. The responsiveness they exhibit is remarkable, particularly when we encounter situations requiring resource reallocation or similar adjustments. They consistently provide a swift and effective solution to such needs. For us, for Inovadora, it's fundamental. This swift responsiveness is crucial when we encounter any difficulty, whether it's an internal issue or one with a client. This perfectly encapsulates the relationship between Optidata and Inovadora. From my perspective, as the one managing the IT infrastructure, I essentially acquired a skilled technical team, I ultimately acquired the services of that highly skilled team, which is readily accessible through Optidata. So I ultimately find myself, in a sense, with them right there alongside me too, to support us in effectively resolving our issues and challenges. The issues that we often encounter due to the nature of our system, and this rapid correction. So I truly believe it's this mutual support, isn't it? And being agile, I effectively absorb that support, considering them an integral part of my own technical staff, So I believe a truly fascinating point about the relationship between Optidata and Inovadora is that on all occasions when I needed support for infrastructure or a POC environment, I never had to negotiate any values or terms at all. I consistently had that infrastructure at my disposal. I conducted all the necessary tests, and at the precise, opportune moment, when I was actually set to deploy it into a live production environment, that's when we would discuss and negotiate the pricing. Consequently, I never found myself needing to be concerned with the duration of its availability, and at the same time, worry if I had it scheduled in the cost center. Thus, this relationship, this partnership with Optidata, to me is truly one of the pillars that propels and sustains us even up to the present day.